Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening your Ableton Live set and watching for the warning banner. The message sample offline means a referenced audio file cannot be located. Open File, then choose Manage Files to reveal missing files. Use the Missing Files panel to view paths and file names. Check your browser and external drives for moved folders. Verify sample rate 44,100 HZ and bit depth 16-bit to avoid conversion or compatibility issues. Note which samples are offline and write down their original file names for relocation. To relink, open File, then Manage Files and click Locate on a missing file. Point Ableton to the folder that contains the original sample and press search. For many files, use File Collect All and Save to copy samples into the project folder. If samples are still missing, search external drives, backups, or the recycle bin on the operating system. Once files are relinked, save the set and test playback to confirm the audio is restored and no further missing warnings appear. Prevent problems by using File, Collect All and Save to keep samples inside the project folder. Work with a single dedicated samples folder and avoid moving or renaming files after linking. When using plugins or third-party packs, note their installation folders and include them in backups. Regularly backup each project folder to an external drive or cloud service to preserve all audio files. Finally, check sample rate and device preferences before opening sets on other systems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.